welcome to my new Guitar Nerdery video. This time I'm gonna show you how you can use your minor pentatonic shapes you already know to play the Dorian mode. For explanation I'm gonna use the A minor pentatonic. Of course you can play with that minor pentatonic shape over the Dorian mode. Let's analyze the notes. We have the root, the minor third, makes it minor, the perfect fourth, perfect fifth, and the minor seventh. We do not have a second, and we do not have a sixth. Talking about the Ionian system, we have three minor scales there, the Dorian, the Phrygian, and the Aeolian scale. The difference between them three scales lies in the second and in the sixth. Compared to Aeolian, Phrygian has a minor second and Dorian has a major sixth. And because the second and the sixth are not in the standard minor pentatonic, we can play over Aeolian, Dorian and Phrygian. That comes in very handy, but the trade-off is we do not have the sound of them modes in the scale because the character notes are missing. Playing the Dorian mode, we need to add to the scale the major sixth. We can combine the shape played in two positions, so the notes of the two positions add up. When we add the B minor pentatonic to the A minor pentatonic, we get the Dorian sound. Let's see what we get when we play over the root A, the B minor pentatonic. The note B is the major second, one note we were missing in the regular A minor pentatonic. The next note is the perfect fourth, perfect fifth, and here the fourth note of our B minor pentatonic, F sharp, is the major sixth, 2A. Here is the Dorian sound. And the fifth note is the root. This is the approach to play with only one shape in two positions, Dorian. A minor pentatonic combined with B minor pentatonic. This needs some practice to do. If you have never done this, one tends to play like this. Playing a phrase in one position, making a stop, and playing a next phrase in the next position, stop and go back. It very soon sounds like you're playing in fragments. It sounds more elegant to have a harmonic or rhythmic idea over the position changes. This was it for today. I hope you found it interesting, and if so, please like and subscribe. And I'm looking forward to see you next time.